Okay, so question 1 was a bit tricky. So the question asks, when this 16 centimeter by 9 centimeter rectangle is cut in the manner shown, the pieces when rearranged form a square, find the perimeter. You guys can see that here we have a Pythagorean triangle or a right angle triangle. You guys see here that here we have a Pythagorean triangle. To find the side of the square, all we needed to do was find this missing length here using Pythagoras. You guys know that the Pythagorean theory that if we do x squared plus 3 squared, it'll equal to 5 squared, and therefore x here is 4. Because we know this length here is 4, if we minus 4 from the longer length 16, so this whole length here is 16. If we minus 4 from 16, we're going to get one side of the square, right? Because when you rearrange this, you're just moving this smaller triangle, you're moving it down here. And then this shifts down, yeah? So all you had to do was find that length that using Pythagoras. So you find that to be 4. And then all you have to do was minus that from 16 and you should get one side of the square. Since the square has all sides equal, you didn't need to do anything else. So you know that one side is 12, so you can automatically find the perimeter. And the perimeter is just 4 times 12, which is 48 centimeters. Okay, second question. A beam of light shines from a point S, reflects off a reflector at point P, and then reaches a point T, so that PT is perpendicular to RS. Find the value of X. So the first thing you needed to do is note that PT is perpendicular to RS. If you guys remember, perpendicular means that they form a right angle when they meet. So when PT meets RS, it forms a right angle. So you guys see here that I've notated that it forms a right angle. Because it forms a right angle, what we can do is we can use the angle sum of a triangle. What we needed to find was this angle here that we didn't know. To find the angle there, all we had to use was just vertically opposite angles. So I named that angle alpha, and I said that alpha equals to x because of vertically opposite angles. Because we know alpha equals to x, we only now have one unknown pronumeral. If we only have one unknown pronumeral, then we only need one equation to find or to solve for that unknown, yeah? So because we know alpha equals to x, we can say that alpha plus x plus 26 plus 90 equals to 180 degrees because of angle sum of triangle PRS. So you guys see that the triangle that I'm working in is this triangle here. And so that's the triangle I'm working in. And then because we know alpha equals to x, we can say that 2 or x plus x, which is just 2x, plus 26 plus 90 is 180 degrees. And then we're just solving for x. So we have 2x equals to 64. Dividing both sides by 2, we should get x equals to 32 degrees. And the last question we'll have time to go through today is just this question here. In the diagram, A, B, C, D, and E, F are straight lines. Find the value of A plus B minus C in degrees. So what I did was I just named these two angles here, alpha and beta, and I just said that alpha equals to 180 minus A because of angle sum of a straight line. Okay, and then I said that beta equals to 180 minus B because of angle sum of a straight line. So this is just using angle sum of a straight line here and angle sum of a straight line here. Then I could say that now that I know alpha and beta, I can just say that alpha plus beta plus this C that we needed to find should equal to or should sum to give 180 degrees because we're working in what? This triangle here. Yeah, so we're using angle sum of a triangle. I subbed in what I found alpha and beta to be in terms of A and B, because remember what we're looking for is our answer to be use A, B, and C. So instead of alpha and beta, I just subbed in what I found. So I know that alpha is 180 minus A from before. And I found beta to be 180 minus B. And so I have 180 minus A plus 180 minus B plus C equals to 180 degrees using angle sum of triangle. And then I just moved all of my numbers to one side and kept all of my letters on one side. So I had minus A minus B plus C equals to 180 minus 360. And I got minus A minus B plus C equals to minus 180. Then I factorize out minus 1. When I factorize out minus 1, I get minus 1 on the outside, and then A plus B minus C inside my brackets equals to minus 180 degrees. And then you can get rid of the minus from both sides, and you get A plus B minus C equals to 180 degrees.